Need to replace the battery in your 2020-2023 Mazda CX-9 key fob? It's a simple DIY task that can save you time and money. These models use a standard CR232 battery, which typically lasts 1 to 2 years. You'll know it's time for a change when the keyless entry becomes less responsive. The process involves opening the fob, replacing the battery, and snapping it back together. Keep watching to learn exactly how to do it. Grab your CR232 battery and a small screwdriver or plastic pry tool, and let's get started. First, press the release button or use your tool to gently separate the two halves of the key fob. Next, remove the old CR232 battery, ensuring you note the positive side is facing up. Insert the new CR232 battery in the same orientation. Snap the fob back together securely. Test the fob by locking and unlocking your CX-9. For maintenance, avoid moisture and extreme temperatures. If the fob gets wet, dry it immediately. Replace the battery every 1 to 2 years for optimal performance.